Not so long ago, entrepreneurs would hear that you cannot have fingers in too many pies. Today, in the digital age, we can have the whole world at our fingertips. Increasingly sophisticated devices that are more and more present in our everyday life are the gateway to a vast universe of information, possibilities, and discoveries. From personal or domestic devices to defense, transport, healthcare, water and energy supply systems, everything is interconnected, generating and receiving information. As a living active organism that grows, learns, and transforms, the immense digital infrastructure that forms the tissues, fluids, organs, and brain of this pulsating organism must grow and renew itself at an ever-increasing rate. An unimaginable amount of data has to be collected, processed, and stored in a decentralized, distributed way to generate instant answers that this organism needs in every place on the planet and beyond. In Latin America, the Middle East, and much of Asia, more than 55% of this data is not stored and processed in high-quality large providers, but in outdated, expensive, and inefficient corporate data centers. Delayed growth, waste of energy, water, and labor, as well as an intolerable and unnecessary carbon footprint are the backdrop to this scenario. Difficulty investing in modernization and risky and inappropriate business models for corporations perpetuate this problematic landscape. The same issues plague the evolution of edge computing in these areas. Planck, with its technology for the production of modular, dense, liquid-cooled, sealed, and impenetrable data centers, has the technical solutions, the business model, and the right people to modernize corporate data centers while it creates a distributed computing network. Conventional data centers, converted into edge carbon zero data centers by Planck, will have a density that is 30 times greater and save up to 70% of energy, 90% of space, and 25% of labor consumed. The impact is tremendous and can potentially reduce total energy consumption in these regions by up to 2%, while putting them at the forefront of edge computing. All this in an incredibly sustainable and profitable way. While growing in big cities, the network will expand to remote regions with the same technology that allows to put this tremendous computing power in cell phone antennas or in places exposed to the weather. Technology, innovation, entrepreneurship, and awareness without limits. Planck, from Brazil to the rest of the world, because the world deserves it, because the planet needs it.